There's nothing more satisfying than growing a tree and watching it grow over the coming years. For attracting garden birds or creating a nice shady spot, whatever the reason you're planting a tree, trees have far-reaching benefits for all of us. There's a suitable tree for wherever garden space you have available to you. Follow our 10-step guide to get your tree planting off to a good start. All you'll need is a tree you've selected, a bucket, watering can, spade, fork, trowel, and some organic mulch. Find a suitable location and dig a hole 3 times as wide as the pot and the same depth. Loosen the soil around the hole before positioning. This tree was pre-soaked for an hour in a bucket of water before removing from the container. Loosen the root ball to encourage roots to grow out into the soil. Place the root ball in the hole so that the point where the roots meet the trunk is level with the surface of the soil. You can use a piece of wood or the back of your shovel to attain the level. Refill the hole, ensuring there are no air pockets around the roots. Firm the soil around the tree, making sure the stem remains upright. Optionally, you can use a tree guard or spiral if you have wildlife visitors that may nibble the bark. Some trees require staking, this one is okay for now. Optionally, you can add a 5 to 8 centimetre layer of mulch, leaving a 10 centimetre mulch-free collar around the base of the stem. Finally, water well. So that's it. Please make sure to check out our top tip videos to get more information on how to make your garden beautiful and enjoyable throughout the year.